Q services, Q washers at eBay and YouTube. And what I've simply got here is a 300mm flat surface turbo devil patio cleaner. Now this can be used for roof cleaning, this can be used for wall cleaning, this can be used for patio cleaning. The patio cleaner itself is obviously a turbo devil. All parts are readily available, so all the spares and accessories to go with it, they're all available in the marketplace itself. Obviously the inlet to this is obviously a 1/4 inch. By standard, obviously we have now put on a 22mm screw fitting on there, so obviously that can be adapted to put onto a gas screw fitting to go on top of the pole. Obviously that can be adapted to any fitting that's needed. The patio cleaner itself is obviously rated up to 30 litres a minute, obviously fully stainless steel, and it's 275 bar rated. The max temperature on this patio cleaner is obviously 60 degrees. So obviously the beauty about this is obviously all the spares are available. The casters can soon be taken off. As you can see, 10mm bolt there. As we turn it over, 10mm bolt there, all the way around. Bar on it. 1/4 inch jets, they want to be parallel with the bar when you're putting them in. Exactly the same with that one, parallel with the bar as it goes in. I say these are always in stock at Q Services. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, at eBay and YouTube. Thank you.